Welcome to Jay's Morning Brief for June the 13th, 2017, Tuesday, for the NOFT Institutional Edge System. Please note that futures, forex, and options trading is risky. You can lose money, therefore you should only trade with risk capital. Please refer to this disclaimer. Always consult a financial professional before investing. Futures, forex, and options trading might not be suitable for you in light of your financial condition. Also note that no solicitation of futures, forex, options, or any other financial instrument is being made in this video or in any of our other materials, period. Nor is any trading advice being given. Morning, let's check out the 6E. As you can see, I've got a couple shaded areas on the chart here. I've just got a blank chart with our trainer levels on them. You can see yesterday here around the 112.35 on 6E. That was a high, and the low was right around our trainer level of 111.97. So that really encompassed the range yesterday, the high and the low during the regular session. And we got a decent bounce off that 11.97. Today, what I'm looking for, you can see I have there's a level at that 112.14.5. The key is if we do stay above that, then I'd be looking for longs up into the 112.41. So really, I'm looking for shorts from the 112.41 area, and longs, I'm not interested in the long side unless we get down to the box there, 111.85 half or 111.65 half. So that's what I'm looking for on the euro today. On the crude oil, since I put these boxes on the chart, the market's already gone down, so you can see what I was expecting, and the arrow was pointing with it. Yesterday we had a high up near the 46.70 area, 46.60s, 46.70s. That was key, a key area we mentioned yesterday, and also the 46 area, which turned out to be the low. You can see right around that 46. We just come into that area again. And so yeah, shorts, I'd be looking for shorts from 46.45 if we come back up there at all, and longs possibly from the 45.55 area. On the ES, let me bring that in there. The ES, we had a high yesterday around the 24.27 area and a low down around 24.17. We didn't quite make it to 24.15 half. But as soon as we got back above the 24.27 area, which actually happened during the Asian session today, we took off up to the 24.31 and popped through it. Now we're back below it. So as long as we stay below 24.31 or above the Asian London high there, around that 24.33, I'm expecting things to go back down to 24.24 for at least a retest of that area. If we manage to get back above 24.31 and stay convincingly above that, then I'd be looking for long into the 24.37 and then be looking for shorts from there. So shorts, generally speaking, from 24.31 or 24.37, longs from 24.24 half. Also potential longs from 24.31, but I don't like it as much as the 24.24 half. 6B, you can see it's been moving up nicely. The 27.60 area, that's where we had the last big move down from. We came into this 26.67 trainer level and have gone further below. We didn't quite make it down to 26.26. We put in the bottom yesterday during the regular trading session, and today just ahead of London during the European Open, and we haven't really looked back from there. So I'm expecting at least 27.60. That's an area that I'd like to short on the 6B, so 27.60 for the shorts, or above that. If we do get above that, then I'd expect the market to continue up to 28.21, which would be another area potentially short. So for the long side, 26.67 or 26.26, short side 27.60 or 28.21. ZB, I'm not really interested in playing ZB if we're between the 154.06 and 153.29 area. You can see yesterday the June 8th high was right around that 154.26, and we've come down making the June 9th low around that 153.20. We haven't really challenged that yet, so as long as 153.29 holds, I'd stick to the short side, and then the main area that I'd be looking for is that June 9th low, or targeting the 153.04, so long from 153.04s. But generally speaking, 153.29 shorts down to 153.04s, and longs from 154.06s up to 154.20. Just take a look at the ES. You can see we've got some ITL levels, 124.35 half, 120, and then the trainer level at 24.37, and then the ITL level at 24.35 3/4, and looks like we probably want to come back down into that 24 half, and there's not much going on around there. If we do break that, if we can't get the buyers to come in around 24 half, the next level's down again. We've got 24.16 half on the ITLs, as well as the trainer level at 24.1550. Looking on the crude oil, we're coming down now further on crude oil. So it looks like that 45.55 might be in play. There's an ITL nearby, 45.52. So that's probably going to be a key area down there to the downside. And we do have an ITL up around that 46.45. It's sitting at 46.42. So there's some confluence going on there between the tools and the trainer levels on those two markets. And if we look over to 6E, we mentioned earlier 112.41 as well as 111.85. There's not much up around 12.41. There is something at 12.36 half. So maybe somewhere in there, that's going to be an ideal position for the shorts. And as I said earlier, 11.85s. That is where I'd like to be long. You can see that that's just below the European Open, or the European lows there after the Frankfurt Open, 111.88.5. So it's pretty close to that area. And that's it, folks. So hope you enjoyed this morning brief, and we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll review how this all worked out.